The all-natural Blessed Beard Oil is custom blended by industry expert and trichology hair practitioner April Carney. Our Blessed Beard Oil blends authentic organic carrier oils that the body responds to as its own sebum, along with the key therapeutic organic-grade essential oils that have a very small molecular weight. This allows the carrier oil to deliver the healing properties directly to the follicle for absorption. This process causes your beard hair to relax and lengthen, producing optimum conditioning of the beard. Blessed Beard Oil is known for its tantalizing and stimulating aroma that will wake up your senses. It will invigorate those that wear it and those close enough to enjoy the chemistry it creates. To order this amazing product, click on the link or button below.